Hey, what is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who do not know, my name is Cody Karpinen, and this channel is all about making money online with affiliate marketing. And in this video, I got a really cool tip for you guys to implement on your next affiliate marketing campaign. So let's get straight into it. This is going to be a short video right to the point. So I am in my Volume account. This is my affiliate tracking software. And I just recently implemented a split test with two different landing pages. The first one is up here. This is my control. This is the one that I was sending the majority of traffic to. And the control was averaging around a 40 to 45% click-through rate from my simple one-page lander to the offer. And then I had a split test and I implemented a new strategy. I'm going to get to that in a minute. And on the first day that the landing page started getting traffic, I saw a nearly, 15% increase in the click-through rate from the landing page to the offer. And not only that, but there's also a lift in the conversion rate, and then the average earnings per visit was nearly triple. So you're probably thinking, holy crap, what is this tip? And I will be completely honest, I did not think of it myself. I started reading this book called Cashvertising. I just got this book earlier this week, and honestly, you can see my bookmark right there. I'm like half or a quarter of the way through the second chapter. When I'm reading stuff that could have a direct impact on my business, I like to go through the book slow and implement everything that I learn as I'm going through the book. So this book might take me a couple months to read because each chapter I'm going to be actively testing theories that they teach in here. So that's just kind of a weird thing that I did. So the first chapter, I'm going to outline this sentence that I based this landing page off. So it's a lot about influence and persuasion. So they're talking about that, and then they say the first use of any product is inside the consumer's minds. You know it was important because after that it said stop and read that last sentence again. The first use of any product is inside the consumer's minds. So imagining the use of something that appeals to you increases your desire for it. So I was reading along, and right away I put my bookmark in, highlighted that. I was like, before I go any further, I'm going to split test this. So I can't give you, the exact split test that I'm doing because I'm still running this campaign, and this landing page is now receiving the majority of my traffic. So I can't give you that, but I can give you a few examples so you can understand what the heck I'm actually talking about. So I just pulled a couple landing pages that have been running hard on Adplexity just to go over some quick examples of what I'm talking about. So this is a diabetes offer. One blood sugar trick keeps blood sugar normal, try tonight. And then they have the image and then a little bit of a description and then a call to action. So this is one of those basic landing pages that work really good, especially for native. But you can implement this trick with any campaign, any website, anything you possibly want to sell. If you're selling a product or a service, you can use this. So this says, watch how my wife / 80 points, 100% natural treatment, naturally fights diabetes, stunned doctors, got the attention of over 250,000 people, and if you or anyone you know is suffering from diabetes, watch this video now. That description works, and I was using a description like that for my campaign that was averaging a 40 to 45% click-through rate from the landing page to the offer. But what you could do is I made a note about all the little words that you can include. So you could keep that exactly the same. Picture you're running this campaign and then just start some sentences like this. Imagine being able to do this simple 60-second habit after dinner every night and going to bed and knowing that it is naturally relieving your diabetes. So instead of just hyping it up, you want to get inside their mind and get them picturing doing the 60-second habit or using the product that you're selling. Get in their mind, because once they think about using it, then that's going to be stuck in their head and they're going to want to figure out what it is. They'll want to learn more info, and if you're doing a VSL, they'll watch the VSL. As you can tell from the statistics that I just showed, the conversion rates go up when you get them picturing the product that you're selling. So that one was for diabetes, just a little example. So the second one, this one is for a prostate product on ClickBank. Top urologists and large prostate do this immediately to shrink it. Watch. So no prostate pill, no matter how powerful or expensive, can do what this $1.63 a day natural method does. Even top doctors are stunned. as it's not just one of those temporary solutions that fails you when you need it the most, etc., etc. If you or anyone you care about is suffering from an enlarged prostate, you must watch this video now. So for this example, let's say you had the ability to target just men. You could go, let me just pull out my starter words here. Picture this: you get home from a hard day of work, finish your dinner, and then you do this simple 10-second habit to naturally shrink your prostate overnight. So kick back, have a beer, and have this 10-second ritual do the work for you. You know, just get in their mind, because like even with that, like it wasn't perfect, but this is on the top of my head. So if you have that in the body, they're reading that and they're like, oh yeah, you know, I did just get back from work. I do like to have a beer once in a while. Like they just picture themselves in their recliner, their lazy boy, like having a beer and doing this 10-second ritual that's going to help shrink their prostate. And once they start thinking of that, the chance of them buying is going up. So here are all the like things that you can include. Imagine doing this. Picture yourself. Picture this. Visualize this. Can you imagine doing this every night and solving X problem? Think on this for a minute and then you continue. Think about this for a second. You know, just like these are the starter words, and just insert what your product or service can solve and just get them to start thinking. So once again, I told you it was going to be a quick video. Get them to think about your product. The more they can visualize themselves using it, the higher conversion it is. Once again, the book is called Cashvertising. I am not an affiliate with these guys. If you just go to Amazon and type in Cashvertising by Drew Eric Whitman, it is like $13. Totally worth the read. I am halfway through chapter 2 and my business has already seen a dramatic effect in what Drew teaches in this book. So that is it for this video. If you got any value, I would appreciate a thumbs up on it. And lastly, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.